Welcome to Temple Builders Carpentry. Today, we're doing a review on Hardell's 4-volt cordless rotary tool kit. I would like to thank Hardell for sending out this tool. This tool has 2,000 milliamps per hour. We also have a 4-volt lithium-ion battery. We have 5 speeds, 61 pieces, multiple functions, USB-C charging port, and it's DIY friendly. This tool is compact and lightweight. It's used for sanding, carving, grinding, polishing, drilling, and cutting. Here's the slogan on the side of the box: focus on making your DIY work perfect. Okay, let's open up our box. So we got a black and orange case. Looks nice. Let's open it up. Here's our tool. So inside of our pouch, we have our mini cordless rotary tool operator's manual. We also have 2 small plastic containers that has our accessories in them. Also, we have right here is a charging cord, and here's the star to show. Our rotary tool is orange and black. Okay, let's talk about our different accessories. So right here in our container, we have our sanding bands, and we also have our sanding paper. Right here is our sanding shank. Over here, we have our grinding wheel with shank. Right here is our engraving and carving diamond bits. Right here is our drill bits. Right here is our wood polishing wheel. Right here is our cutting disc. And right here is our wheel mandrel. Right here we have 2 collets. And over here, this wrench looking tool is called a spanner. As you can see, our tool has an on and off switch right here. We also have 2 buttons right here. One has a negative sign to decrease our speed, and one has a positive sign to increase our speed. Right here at the end, we have a charging port. At the other end of our tool, we have a light, and also we have a button by our light that allows us to tighten and loosen our collet. Now, if our drill bit is too big for our collet, we simply want to remove our collet and replace it with the correct collet. So let's do it. Take our top off, remove our collet, replace it with the correct collet. Okay. Put it on. Okay, let's put in our engraving and carving bit. See? Now we can tighten it down. There we go. So if we need to charge our tool, we just simply plug in our cable right here, the USB-C type charging port right here. There we go. This is how you put your sanding band on your mandrel. Okay, so if you would like to purchase this tool, use my Amazon link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Temple Builders.